I stepped on a dog. Oh my goodness, we're falling apart. Cut.
Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty.
Actually, today it's Blackstone Andy, and we're doing a family style favorite. We're doing a seafood pasta right here in Florida on CJ's set, and it's gonna be great. You're gonna teach me how to do this?
I'm gonna sit back and relax and let you do all the work.
I'm gonna need some help along the way.
I got you.
All right.
Andy, first things first for our seafood pasta, we've got some shrimp, we've got scallops. Can you do a little bit of oil, a little salt, pepper
Definitely.
on the scallops?
Absolutely.
Some Tuscan herb over those shrimp.
Okay.
Slide them aside just for a second.
Because once we get started, it goes really quick.
So super fast. This is like a 10-minute dinner.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna take this shallot and we're gonna cut this into little rings, as thin as you can.
Yep, I like it just nice whole little rings. Next up is our sugar bomb.
Sugar bombs,
tomatoes.
man,
These
I love
my-
these things.
oh, I could eat these. I just
So
pop them.
good.
Get them off the vine, then chop up some Italian flat leaf parsley.
You want this like really fine, or you want like a rough chop on this?
Chop.
Okay.
Mine. I love parsley.
Yep. So let's go to the griddle with this seafood. We're gonna put some oil down.
A little grazel oil, scallops down, shrimp down.
And these go really, really fast, right?
Really fast because I don't want them to cook all the way.
And why is that?
Because these are going into pasta, so everything finished cooking in that sauce, and I want them to have some of that juice to release into the sauce.
Oh, so it adds that extra little flavor.
Yep, pull
Okay.
them off, set them aside. I got the butter, you get the oil.
Yep.
Swirl it around. Let's drop down our shallot.
And our tomatoes.
Great tomatoes.
Yep.
Let these cook under a dome until they start to burst. Once
Okay.
they start to burst,
We want those juices to come out. And we can squish them down a little bit with a spatula.
before we get to smashing those tomatoes, how about you add a little bit of garlic paste, a little bit of the Blackstone Tuscan herb.
Gotcha. So this is our shortcut for this one. This is what makes this go so fast, is the garlic paste.
And then these Rana raviolis. We've got lobster ones. We're gonna add them right to those tomatoes. That juice, the
Yep,
steam
absolutely.
under the dome. Adding some Rayo's Alfredo sauce. Together, the Alfredo, the tomatoes, creates this beautiful pink sauce. Now, all we need to do is let these raviolis steam in that sauce for like 1 minute.
We put our scallops and our shrimp back in so they can finish cooking. Get this
Exactly.
beautiful, beautiful sauce that
Plus,
you put
I've
together.
got a little bit of lump crab meat right
Okay,
into this.
another one.
Yes, this is lobster ravioli, shrimp, crab, scallop. Let's finish it off with a little bit or a lot of it of pecorino romano cheese, freshly grated all over the top.
Now, you were telling me this is controversial in a seafood pasta.
And there's already cheese in the ravioli.
Yeah, we gotta put cheese
So
on
why
top.
not?
Finish that off with a little more parsley. Pull
Plate
that
up.
off into a giant plate, family style.
Or the biggest plate that CJ had to offer us.
Oh, you know, he does his best. We'll pull it back to the board. We'll finish it off with some more flat leaf parsley and some more cheese. And I think we did a thing.
We did.
We did it.
We just had a show together.
We did.
Or
I'm gonna start.
you completely just stole my show.
Well, this is Family Style starring Blackstone Andy.
It is. This is the new thing.
This
Maybe,
is-
maybe we'll have to do this again.
Maybe a regular thing?
All right, let's see if it's good.
All right.
Because you did this, not me.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
You like it?
I do like it. Good
I
work.
love cooking with you, Andy. You can cook on my show anytime, unless you get your own show.
I don't know.
Then I'll come cook with you.
Okay.
I hope you cook with us again. Yeah? Love it?
Mhm.
You'll make it at home?
Of course.
Good.
And when I do, I'll take a picture and I'll tag Blackstone Products and Blackstone Betty.
You do watch my show.
Of course I do.
Yes. Take it, make it, do what he just told you to do. We cannot wait to see. We love watching you guys eating everything that we love eating.
Absolutely.